Could you explain to those who are watching, you are multi-awarded Giggle. You know what's Giggle? Give us first why of all the names of an advertising agency you chose Giggle.
Deciding na the name of our company, dun pa lang po parang originally gusto ko po sana Hernandez Abisames. But sabi niya, Herbert, if we're going to start a creative agency, baka even sa name pa lang, we have to start it na differently. And proud kaming Pinoy, so nakapili siya ng word. And apparently, the word giggle, walang exact na English na translation.
There's no translation. Okay, for those who do not speak Filipino, giggle means
the urge.
You know, it's like a tight hug. Gigil na gigil. How many years have you started? How many years ago?
2017 po, when my partner po, si Badonga, previously, he was my boss.
Really?
Yeah, bigla lang pong in-invite niya ako sa room. Sabi niya, may multinational company na gusto siyang kunin to turn around that agency. So, sobra pong big agency po to, multinational din. And sabi niya na if ever hindi siya kukunin, hindi siya pumayag, ako daw yung kukunin. That's the reason na sabi niya, kung ganun, bumuo na lang tayo.